Hey everyone! In today's video, we're walking through the best settings for the Samsung Odyssey G7 in 2025. This video will show you the step-by-step process to optimize your settings. So let's start by heading into the game section of the monitor settings. First, set the refresh rate to 240Hz to take full advantage of the monitor's high-speed capabilities. And for better visibility in darker areas, let's adjust the block equalizer to 8. Then set the response time to fastest for the lowest input delay and most responsive experience. Next, turn off adaptive sync. This is important for reducing input latency, especially if you're targeting performance over smoothness. Then be sure to turn on low input lag. Still under the section, set the screen size to wide to get the full immersive effect. Next, let's go to the picture tab. Start by setting the picture mode to custom, as this gives you full control over the display's appearance. Adjust the brightness to 60 for a comfortable viewing experience without losing detail in highlights. And for color settings, keep red, green, and blue all at 50, and set the color tone to normal. Finally, set the gamma to mode 3, which enhances contrast without crushing detail in dark or light areas. Now let's move over to the system section. Set local dimming to auto. This allows the monitor to dynamically manage brightness in different parts of the screen based on content. Adjust the volume to 93, which is a solid level for most built-in audio needs. Then turn off dynamic contrast, as it can sometimes introduce visual inconsistencies, especially in games. And lastly, make sure your DisplayPort settings match the adjustments you've made. And that wraps up the optimized settings for the Samsung Odyssey G7 in 2025.